Welcome to Toyota Production Systems Fundamentals course. This course provides a detailed view of the Toyota production system, starting from the foundational principles of the Toyota production system, which are Heijunka, Kaizen, and standards. Then we will explore the JIDOKA principle and the just-in-time. Finally, we will discuss how implementing the Toyota production system will impact your quality, cost, and delivery.
This course is designed in a way that satisfies the need for both the experienced continuous improvement professionals who have been implementing the continuous improvement programs in their areas for years, as well as the new continuous improvement practitioners who need a guidance on what are the key parts that they need to take care of in order to make sure that their journey will be sustainable and successful. Through this course, we are going to explore an introduction to the Toyota production system, why it is important, and why people are focusing on it. And then we will talk about the Toyota way, which is a very important concept that was developed by Toyota to make sure that the Toyota culture is implemented throughout the organization. Then we will talk about the foundational concepts, which are the Heijunka, Kaizen, and standards. Then we will talk about the first pillar, which is the JIDOKA pillar, and we are going to explore three key concepts inside the JIDOKA pillar, which are the Genchi, Genbutsu, and Andon, and Poka. Then we are going to talk about the just-in-time pillar, and we are going to explore there the waste elimination, what is Takt time, and what is Kanban. Finally, we are going to explore quality, cost, and delivery at the Gemba.